This is a chapter coming to a close for sure. A 3-year travel chapter of Schengen.
Schengen
Shuffle, which you've managed beautifully. We've not fall foul all the countries. I think we've done 23 countries. Is that right?
Yeah.
23 countries in 3 years, and we're leaving European shores very soon. We're in the queue right now.
We're at Santander, waiting to board the ferry back to Portsmouth, and we think this will be the last time we'll be in Europe for at least 2 years.
Well,
at least 2 years.
Fingers crossed, Walter behaves himself in the Americas. We certainly haven't done Europe. We don't feel as though we've done Europe in 3 years. You can't do that.
No, there's so many places. In fact, we stayed at a little free air last night, and didn't we say, oh God, this would be a really nice place to come back to?
Yeah.
And I think if you didn't have to manage the Schengen shuffle, which is, it's like first world problems, isn't it? For us. We're very lucky to be able to do it, but you're trying to do 3 months in Europe, 3 months out, as well as get back to your MOT and to UK, and have to manage the seasons, because you don't want to be stuck outside or inside Europe in the bad weather, or travelling during the bad weather.
Yeah.
That's if you're like us and you're sort of sun chasers.
Yeah.
Other people manage not too bad because they'll go skiing, over the winter time or something like that.
Or they bring coats. and jackets and gloves. Actually, I'm joking.
They're a bit more organised.
Yeah, and big boots and things. But so this is the end of our Schengen European temporary chapter finishing, isn't it? It's over for a bit. And next stop is the UK, and then it's just they're using the UK as a stepping stone to the US.
Do you know what we did today? Can we tell them what we did today?
Yeah, we left our push bikes free for someone to pick up. They're quite old, but they all work. All the gears work. They're in good nick, and we've left them with a sign on it saying free. And we're hoping some homeless person finds them and kind of takes them on.
We left them near the Via Verde in an air, and and hopefully somebody will use them. They're very old and very, very dusty, but we're not taking them to US.
No, because we feel as though in the US it's going to be so vast, in Canada I don't think we'll be getting up and doing loads of cycling. Maybe we'll eat our words and wish we hadn't got rid of our bikes.
Yeah, I think we might hire electric bikes though in places in national parks or state parks where we want to do that.
Electric bikes, check you out.
I don't use this movie.
No, there are quite a few motorhomes already here. We arrived an hour or so early, but look how many there are. We're waiting to get on our ship. So
a couple of weeks of lots of prep for Walter's cruise. He needs a little bit of clean out and a tidy up and move things about. And then we've got paperwork and things to sort as well. So
we're going to be busy.
You know what happened the first time in a long while is the civil guard came into the motorhome to check. There was no immigrants. I don't think we've had anybody inside the van, and all our border crossings, since Morocco 2 years ago. I don't think anybody's been in. It's been interesting that.
Well, yeah. And
came in proper, had a proper look, and said the toilet and the wardrobe.
He didn't find any, did he?
No.
He didn't look in the bed?
Did he find all the alcohol?
Well,
a
rare treat. We actually bought a drink in a bar, which is nice. Got backgammon, as you can see. If anybody's interested, we've actually been playing backgammon for 3 years. Not the same game.
We got this lovely set, which is now a little bit tired, from our friends as a leaving present from the UK.
From Brian and Sue, really nice of them actually.
And we have used it extensively. I think we've played over 2,000 games.
Yes,
right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. We keep the score like that, and scores to date. Eileen is 949 and I'm 935. So I'm 14 games behind.
So we're leaving Europe for the last time, as I've said. We're on a very nice Brittany ferries.
Yeah. Ferry
from Santander to Portsmouth. We're overnight, we've got a nice cabin.
Yeah.
We're inside cabin, and it's not, this is a very rare treat, buying drinks out, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's quite reasonable. I would recommend this boat actually. So we came over on this boat as well, on this crossing. It's a shame you can't do that automatically, isn't it?
No, I think I can from here.
From
Yeah.
Can you?
Watch. Right, press stop. I'll press stop.
It's not
No, it
stopped.
doesn't work. Okay.
Keep that in. That's quite funny.
Perfect. Right.
We have no idea.
No, I've no idea.
We have no idea.
So
Can I move it around a bit so you can get in? Like, there you go. There you
so
go.
we're gonna have
That cut your big head off, Martin.
So we're gonna have a couple of games of backgammon, and then have a little adventure around the ship, see what's going on. It's Wednesday, and we depart at 5:30 UK time. When do we get there? Friday? No, Thursday, isn't it?
We get there tomorrow at 9.
At night, 9 o'clock tomorrow night.
Yeah. So we have some snacks for our room tonight. And
Yeah.
we brought our electric kettle for breakfast. And you should have brought your instant porridge, Martin. We will have a breakfast on board. We had one coming across
They're
actually.
good value, aren't they? They're really good
Yeah,
value.
they are good value. It's worth it. So we'll do that in the morning, and then we'll see what we'll do for dinner.
Do you like? We're right near the life buoy, so we're not nervous. We're right near. Just we're getting in that lifeboat if he goes under. Oh, it's a bit windy. Oh. Shall I go back and get our coats? Our jacket. We forgot our jackets. Get on the gym, Eileen, get on here. Get on here, warm up. Oh. It doesn't work. Oh, that's much better.
We went down there the last time. Do you remember? You can see the lorries. We went
Yeah.
right down that bit.
Cheerio, Schengen. Bye, Europe. Let's show our 1 million followers our room, shall we? You wouldn't believe it, but they actually put us into a disabled suite, which is
Lies.
which is good. Oh,
Tell lies. We chose a table sleep because we could. We booked late, so they're free, so you can put them.
here we go.
I liked what you said, that it's so big we could both actually do yoga together.
We could do yoga in here, easy. It's such a big room. The bathroom is huge. Well, there you go.
But show them the water.
Well, it's low water pressure, which is the pump's still pumping, but even with the tap open full, it's not. And I've tried the same in the bathroom, and it's the same as well. So it's not the end of the world. We can fix this. Luckily, we've got a spare pump, a water pump. So what I'm going to do, it's the same one, and I'm going to swap them out and see if it makes a difference to the water.
You got a new
pressure.
pump that pump was supposed to be the spare, wasn't it?
This was our spare for America, but we're going to have to use it now.
So we'll use that.
So it is just a matter of undoing the big nut, taking out the actual old water pump, taking that out, and undoing that, removing the pump. There's some electrics somewhere. Oh yeah, there they are. I'll just take them off. I'll take them off. I'll take a picture first of the actual connections, make sure I get the right ones.
So what they do, both got non-return valves on them, don't they?
That's right, yeah. So that is non-return valves, 19 litres per minute, same pump, and just fit
Just swap
those.
them over.
Just swap them over.
Let's see if it works better.
Perfect. So that's the new pump installed. All the electrics reconnected, electric back on, and here's the moment of truth. Here's the moment of truth. Full power.
Oh yeah, that's good, isn't it?
That's perfect.
That's good.
Back to normal. One job done.
Well done, Martin. Hey, Martin, what are you doing? You okay?
Another job for today, in the lovely warm of the UK, is to disconnect the bike rack and take off the bike rack.
Not taking the bike rack to America, are we?
No, we decided not to. A couple of reasons. One was it's going to be save a bit of money on the actual exporting cost, because when you export, they take all the whole cubic space, so that would have been quite a bit of expense. And actually, to be fair, we're not really going to use the bikes. We don't think. Let's hope we don't regret that. What do you think?
I don't know. Yeah, we might regret it, but we might hire some electric bikes or something there, eh?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going in. It's freezing.
It is freezing.
Hey presto, it's gone.
Ta-da! But of course, when we get Walter serviced,
Yeah.
I'm going to ask him to drop the actual tow bar part as well, and that's quite heavy, you know. So taking the bikes off and the bike rack and that is going to save us quite a lot of kilos.
So international driving permits
Yeah, this is international driving permit time.
at the local garage, because that's where you get them now.
Yeah. And we've got 3 photos.
3 photos.
Passport.
Well, passport, yeah. And this kind man is organising the 3 for you, right?
Yeah, because we're going to America and Canada. That's one driving regulation. Mexico, and then
Guatemala.
Guatemala. So we need a few. So time to visit our local garage, Ellison's, in our village, to get Walter serviced. We're going to get full service, fuel filter, air filter, diesel filter, and of course we're going to pick up lots of spares that we're going to take over to the States as well. Here we are in our local garage in our village called Ellison's. They're the ones going to be giving Walter a little bit of TLC. Let's see if Dave's ready.
Oh my God, Martin, what are you doing now?
Well, just doing a bit of lano gardening, lover.
Oh.
Just to protect it from rust, apparently. Hopefully it'll work. I just giving it a bit of a spray before we go
So
abroad.
do you have to do that all the way? What, all the way underneath?
Yeah, all the metal bits, chassis and that around the engine.
Don't look very comfortable, lover.
It's not comfy, but it's all right. One chucks.
Okay.
Let's have a look. What have we just done?
Oh.
What have we just done?
Oh.
Another job.
Forgot to record it.
Yeah, but what we have done is we put some mirror tape around this tape, the mirror in the bathroom, because these edges were looking a bit tatty, and you could see sort of it's sliding, coming away. Right, lover, what are we doing right now?
Why don't you just record and say?
No.
Starting to clean up.
We are starting to clean through water. We're going through all the different cupboards and getting rid of anything that any food stuffs. Can't have any food stuffs, can we?
No, lots of food stuff coming out, unfortunately.
Yeah. Spices and herbs and stuff, we can't take any of those, so
So this is the chaos. D-Day -1. We leave tomorrow and we're living in chaos. Everything's got to go away today. Packed up in cases. Yeah, we're getting there. It's not too much to do, it won't take long. Oh, and the bathroom needs to be cleaned out. Yeah. And as if by magic, water's nearly clear. Everything's away, all our spice racks. Can't take those. Still got to take away the fairy liquid. Baking soda down the sinks. You look so bare. Look, oh, I know it's poured nothing on it. Everything's cleaned. We'll have one last clean. That's our cases. We need them for tomorrow. That is our luggage.
So on our way up to dropping off Walter,
Our first stop.
our first stop is IKEA. Yeah, we want some last time meatballs and a little round. See, we've got some wooden utensils.
Miserable day. We're heading to Liverpool now.
We're going to this gas place where they can inspect the gas bottles. And funny enough, they actually ran out last night. We had the heating on.
Our gas ran out.
And our gas ran out, so we've actually timed it perfectly. We're not going to waste any gas, which is quite good.
And we're going a long way round so that we've got half a tank of fuel, no, quarter of a tank of fuel left. So what have they got to do, Martin? We've got to take the gas bottles off.
Oh yeah, what he said was that they're gonna, he's gonna test for no leaks first of all, and then actually take the gas bottles off to put them on a machine to suck out any safely take any gas that's residue in them.
Right.
So
that's what it takes to be valid.
So that's a good thing. Phil's just tested it and they're definitely empty. So all he's got to do now is reconnect and check for any leaks and get a certificate, and we're away. And that's it. The bottles have been, the LPG bottles have been removed, tested that they're empty, which they were because the gas went yesterday, and he's refitted them, and we're just waiting for the empty gas certificate, which then we've got to send to IVSS and leave one in the window, I think, so just confirm that they're empty. Perfect. Yeah, we're just doing the final checks of clearing water before we go over there for a car wash. Got to make sure he's nice and clean for the port authority. Take the TV off and the dash cam. So that's what I'm going to do now. Hiya!
So just the last thing, Walter getting
Customs ready.
Before he goes. Not allowed to arrive with any dirt on him. It's mostly the wheel arches, I think, and things. It's good to get. He hasn't had a wash for a while, actually. So yeah, no soil or debris or dirt on him, so just giving him a little clean at the Tesco jet wash. Thanks, Tesco. God, it looks like, Martin said earlier, it looks like we're selling them. It's really sad. It's all our luggage we've got to lug about now. Everything's off. You look spacious. Well, we've got our high-vis jackets because we need those for going on to the port. So that's the next bit, get to the port. Okay, the
This is it.
Liverpool.
Pass holders, all other traffic.
Where does it say?
It said, so we're all, so if you've got a pass, you go that side.
Is on the right.
But here we go, all drivers, please stop and talk
there's somebody
to
there, yeah. Okay, so you need the shipping document.
There's no real dinks on it. No distinct, nothing's really, nothing's cracked. All the
So
lights,
I've got a video
all the lights are okay.
the inside.
The roof, it's all alright. Driver's side.
Nothing of any value, but cushions, things. Our oven, the fridge, pots and pans, and then the front with all the paperwork. Let's just get in the bathroom. And the bathroom, skylight. Yeah. Fan.
Well, do you want to look inside the cupboards?
I looked inside some of them, yeah.
Yeah.
And the skylight. I haven't looked inside all of them, but like.